Hello friends, this is Shanmukh. I'm a SQL DBA from Sose University, Society of Software Engineers. So, SQL Server 2022 full course class recordings available, guys. SQL Server 2022 new version, latest version, the recent version, which is SQL Server 2022 version, guys. So, SQL Server 2022 full course class recordings are available. So, the duration of the classes will be like more than 75 hours, guys. I'm expecting like around 80 hours of classes will be there. Okay, more than 75 plus hours of regular real-time class recordings, whatever topics are there, whatever important topics are there in the SQL Server. Okay, so every concept, okay, I covered in this classes, guys. Total 75 plus hours of class recordings will be available. So complete topic wise notes also I'm going to provide you. Whatever required softwares to practice like SQL Server 2022, SQL Server 2019, Windows Server 2016. So I provided the softwares. I am going to provide the softwares, guys. Okay, and two sample resumes you will get it. Okay, and you will also get interview questions, guys. You will also get interview questions. Okay, complete interview questions also you will get it. So main topics like in the videos, whatever and all main topics I covered, guys. So main topics like SQL Server installations, database internals, SQL Server patchings, security of SQL Server, and how to give permissions, and how to take backups and restores, how to create jobs, how to automate the jobs, how to create alerts, maintenance plans, how to do the upgradation, migration, and how to set up an active directory for domain purpose and all, for a real-time setup, real-time machines and all. Then how to configure log shipping, what is the architecture of log shipping, okay, how to fail over log shipping, right? And what and all prerequisites for log shipping, like that. I covered log shipping, mirroring, replication, Windows clustering, SQL clustering, even Windows clustering. It's not like a theory, guys. I covered completely I covered with the demo. So I only configured Windows clustering in front of the students, guys, in the class. So you can also practice configuring clustering by just watching these videos and all. I also covered SQL clustering, and I also covered always on complete demo, guys, with the theory and the always on architecture and all. Apart from all these things, performance tuning also I covered in that particular sessions. And I also covered how to prepare the resume after getting the job, what to do, what not to do. And I also covered some speaker series, guys. Okay, some speaker series also I'm providing you in this classes. So all topics are covered with a detailed discussion, demos, interview questions, and assignments, guys. Okay, and this set cost is 7,000 INR or $150, guys, which is fixed price, 150 US dollars. So if you're interested, so if you want to see the content, guys, you can, let me show you that as well. So go back and let me check batch 40, sorry, that is batch 49, and let me go to batch 48. Batch 49 is currently going on, guys. Batch 48, okay, and you can see, okay, this is just a folder, and here batch 49, batch 48 videos, yes, batch 48 videos, you can see, guys. Okay, you can see all the classes. See, total 54 items are there, and you can see each class is around, if you go and see this, each class is around 2 hours, 1 hour 45 minutes, 1 hour 54, 2 hours, 1 hour 22, 17 minutes, 2 hours 27 minutes. This is 2.5 hour session. So like this, you can see, guys, minimum 1 hour to 2.5 hour sessions are there. So you can see, and you can see all the topics also, if possible. You can see the topics, guys, what and all topics I covered, you can see here. Okay, so everything I covered, guys, what and all things we are going to experience in the organization up to 5-6 years of experience. Every topic I covered with a detailed discussion, okay, and with a complete demos and all, guys. Okay, so, and apart from this, you will also get notes, of course, notes, softwares and all. I'm going to share it with you, guys. So this is the complete set. This set cost is around 7,000 rupees Indian rupees and 150 US dollars, guys. Okay, so if you are interested, you can call to this number or you can send a WhatsApp message to this number 9902 590 140, or else if I'm unreachable in this number, you can also send an email to this Gmail soseuniversity@gmail.com, guys. So you can make use of this, guys. If you are interested, just ping me in the WhatsApp. Okay, so thank you, guys. Thanks for watching this video.